Yeah, I think in a lot of cases, people consider, okay, it's going to improve my energy efficiency. It's going to, help with my HVAC wear and tear. But done correctly, there's a lot of decisions that can be made, a lot of configurations that can be chosen to work in specific openings where windows can really be an incredible, crazy aesthetic enhancement to the home. They don't have to be just like, well, let me go with something, just like that's there now, but maybe, is a little bit more energy efficient. You can get the energy efficiency and a new look on your home that you can be absolutely thrilled with. And if you're going to be spending the money to do something like this, I would say it'd be great to get both, not just one. And that's a big thing that I think, we find that we open our people's eyes to a lot is it doesn't just have to be, a reasonable, logical decision. Is you can have some fun with it and really get some mileage out of it in terms of improving the aesthetic and the curb appeal of your home.